Laddie said, you submit your I-751 with $680 or $595?
$680.
Everblessed saying, after getting receipt of notice for I-130, how long after my kids in Jamaica can be here?
At least 18 months.
Prince said, can someone with a B1, B2 medical visa apply for a green card because of his condition?
No.
Edini says, my fiance has a child born in the U.S. He wants to adopt his nephew from Africa. What does that make his legal parent too?
It would make him a legal parent if he does an adoption, but you have to do it as an orphan or the kid won't come.
Damon L. said, what happens at the citizenship interview?
They review your entire questionnaire on your citizenship application. They ask you government questions and history questions, and they want to make sure that you otherwise qualify for citizenship.
Adam says, interview May 2018. I'm still waiting the USCIS making decision. I filed Ombudsman? Last week. What more do I have to do?
Filed what last week?
Ombudsman.
Ombudsman. You requested from the Ombudsman. You can sit on your hands and whistle Dixie, or you can file a mandamus.
Suna said, can one use SSDI income to sponsor a spouse when it's over the income requirement?
If it's disability, yes.
Sam says, my wife has an interview in India last week. She got approved by a consulate officer, but still is showing administrative process. Please answer.
You have to give them 120 days, and after that, you can contact us, and we'll contact them and do what we need to do to push it along.
Shani said, U.S. citizen husband petitioned for me. I traveled on my B2 visa while being petitioned for. Is that going to be a problem?
It could be, but unlikely.
David says, can I apply for adjustment of status if arrested for cocaine, shrooms, possessions? It wasn't convicted. I was put in diversion program.
Yes, you can apply. You don't have a conviction.
Lorletta said, can someone travel on a combo card after their interview and waiting for the decision?
Yes.
Yvonne says, the I-751 must it be submitted 90 days before the expiration date or within the 90 days?
Within the 90 days.
Renee said, what do you do if you were used for a green card and the person has a conditional green card right now?
Well, then you lost.
Kofi says, please, if USCIS receives someone I-130 and I-485 application on November 15, 2017, and he wants to interview on August 2019, what's the priority date?
The date the application was received.
Joshua said, can a spouse sponsor even if one has lived here out of status for 5 years?
Yes.
David says, what's the first thing we should do when someone comes to the United States on a K-1 visa?
Get married.
Shazad said, what's the difference between a mandamus and a class action?
Mandamus forces the government to make a decision on your case. A class action is people getting together in the same position.
Sure. Says I-360 approved 60 days ago. I-485 submitted at court. How long does it take to get an interview?
I don't know. And we lost. I got to give him 6 cans of beer now.
Damn. How many did we get?
I think we got 19.
So Reshu said the I-360 was approved 60 days ago and the I-485 was submitted at court. How long does it take to get an interview?
It could take anywhere from 1 day to 6 months to a year or longer.
Juliet says, I filed for an unmarried adult in 2013. I haven't received a notice of approval as of yet.
In 2013, you don't have an approval, but unmarried adult, you should get an approval because the priority dates are in January 2013. I think you're in mandamus time now. Thanks for watching. For more Brad Show Live, like and subscribe to our YouTube channel.